But they cute though. Yeah. Okay. Oh God. Anyways, today's video is gonna be a little bit of, I'm not gonna say everything, but I'm gonna say like the basics. I got a request to do an eyebrow tutorial, and we'll do a little bit of that. It's gonna be like most of what we're doing, but I'm gonna show you quickly my new face routine, like foundation, primer, and everything. And then I'll do like a little eye look, and I can do the eye look like later, in a later video. Okay, so if you want to see how to slay your brows or let them look better than they are right now, like look at my brows, y'all. Wow. Then keep on watching. Okay, so I went to Sephora like last week, and I went to go find a foundation because the foundation that I have, I love them a lot, but they're not really the skin tone or like my skin tone. They're like red undertoned or like too cool tone. So I was like, I need to be smack dab in the middle. I need to have like a little bit of yellow tone because that's how my skin is. So I went there and they matched me with the Born This Way by Too Faced Cosmetics. Is in the shade Chestnut. Looks like this. So yeah, that's like my shade, and she matched me with that, and I'm happy because I found that foundation that's actually like my skin tone. Like I don't have to do all this concealing and contouring to make sure it's the right color, you know what I mean? But now that I say that, you guys, so I wear the color Tan and the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and it's technically the same color as this, just like a little itty bitty lighter. But so yeah, it's like an extra layer of whatever you want to call it. And then I asked them, I was like, I need a more matte finish because I'm very oily, more combination, but I need more of a matte finish. So they put me on to the Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer by Too Faced, with priming our skin with the Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer by Too Faced. So I like to do foundation last sometimes, but in this case I'm going to do it first so the foundation dries a little bit before I put on the concealer so it doesn't blend in too much. And I would say this would oxidize and make it a little bit better, but it doesn't. So it stays the same color. I like that. I don't like the oxidization. That gives me anxiety because I'm just like, did I get the right color? A dirty beauty sponge and pat it in. This is where we get to the eyebrows. I like to do my eyebrows before doing anything else after foundation, because when the eyebrows are set, the look is set, everything's set, and I feel like the eyebrows take the longest for me, because I feel like my eyebrows change shape so much that it gets kind of, it's exciting, I guess, because you're never the same shape every time. So keeps you on your toes. So before I fill them in, here's my trusty tools. This is a like eyebrow razor type thing. You can use it for your eyebrows, you can use it for in between, you can use it for lip, you know. And then I use a clean mascara brush type thing, and what I do is, I need this, I get close and I brush them up and I see what's happening. So right now we have some little uninvited family members are right here, going on under here, and I really don't focus up here because up here is just like, it just blends in with the makeup, honestly. Like you really don't notice it's there unless you're really close to my face. And the shape that I want is more of an arch that goes down like this. So we're gonna have to cut off all of this and a little bit of that. Okay, so that's what you're really doing, is you're scoping out the shape that you want to have. Start brushing up. I see what shape that I want. Take my trusty razor and I shave. And that's that. Now, don't be alarmed if your eyebrows don't come out the way you want, because guess what? We're filling them in. Okay, so I like to use the Eyebrow by Benefit. It's in the color 6. It's a cream gel brow paste kind of stuff. And it comes with a brush, like a slanted brush. A slanted brush is probably the best that you could work with, like brush wise, because it makes little hair-like strokes. And what you're doing is you're just going to start, I start from the bottom and I'll make my way to the top layer of the eyebrow. So I feel like if the bottom is set, then the top will follow. And you're just going to fill in the eyebrow. Now, I messed up on this brow on purpose so I could show you guys what to do if you feel like your brow isn't the shape that you want it, or if you messed up on the bottom. So what we do is we take a flat brush, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer in the shade Tan, and what you do is put some of that concealer on the tip of this brush, and you're going to take it under or over wherever you feel like you messed up, and you're going to cover it. This ain't the best, but it works. And there you go, there's your brow. Now, let's go on to the other one. Okay, now that the brows are done, okay, let's move on to the rest of the makeup. So, of course, we're going to do eye makeup before we do concealer. Okay, so I'm going to take my Instant Age Rewind concealer. Then we're going to go into my Like a Boss by Violet Voss palette. And we're going to take a little fluffy brush and we're going to go into this color, which is Woman Crush Wednesday, or WCW. I'm going to put it all over the lid. Take a fluffy brush like this and we're going to go into Boss. And what we're doing is we're about to build our crease. Next we're going to take Snatched. It's this color right here. I like Snatched because it's more of a red, cool. I don't know how red and cool are in the same sentence, but it just feels like more of a red, cool color, and I really like it. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the ColourPop Supernova Shadow. This is in the color Mothership, and it's like a blue. Oh my god, I love this color, guys. It's like a blue starlight type of, you know what I'm saying? Like, I really like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to put it right in the center where we've been keeping it clean. What you're going to do is you're going to build a circle. So we're going to start out with a small circle. And then we're going to build to a bigger circle. Wait till that dry. And now we're going to start on doing our concealer. I'm going to blend that concealer. What we're going to do is I'm going to take the CoverGirl True Blend Minerals Loose Mineral. It's supposed to be bronzer, but I don't know who this is bronzing, so I use it as setting powder. And I just take a little brush. Wrong brush. Take a little fluffy brush and I just pat the powder in. For highlight, I really do blush, you guys. Take a fluffy brush. I'm gonna dip into that salted caramel. Okay, front under eyes. Go back into that like a boss palette, and I'm gonna go right into boss. Right under eye. I'm gonna take Smart as Who. I'm gonna put right in the inner corner. Now, guys, I don't have lashes today, but I'm gonna try to make my lashes look a little bit longer. Try to make my lashes look a bit longer because I don't have lashes today, but I'm going to be using the Benefit Bad Girl Lash Mascara. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm going to use a slanted flat brush thingy, and I'm using the cream gel color Swerve from ColourPop. It's black, basically. It's just black.